Put some soap in the toilet box, and you'll thank me forever. To start today's tip, we will use a bath soap. In addition to assisting cleaning, will also directly improve the aroma in your bathroom, as it will have direct contact with the water we use in the toilet. We will demonstrate this tip into different ways. The first, using a sock. I will also use scissors where I will cut apart, so I will have a part for support. If you have any questions, just follow the video step by step. After that, I will put a soap inside. You can use the soap of your choice, remembering that it will also help in the aroma of your bathroom. Then just tie a knot so as not to drop the soap. I'm using the same part 1 cut earlier for this. For use, we need to put straight into the toilet tank. First, we will remove the lid, and then use the support part to leave our tip stuck. Not sink fully into the water. Surely you have already gone somewhere and noticed that the toilet was dirty, and not even rubbing with the brush did not come out easily. With this tip, the water will have constant contact with soap, and when flushing, it will be much more practical to remove any dirt. It is also possible to perform this with a disposable mask. The mode of use is simple. And if you do not have an old sock in your house, with the disposable mask, it will be cheaper to prepare. It is very common, even after doing our needs, part of the waste are stuck to the toilet. The same problem is when we finish cleaning the bathroom, but with this quick and easy tip, you will clean easily and will never leave dirt behind. After placing in the reservoir, even before use, we should leave 5 to 10 minutes to start acting on contact with water. And before I forget, see which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Florian, New Tampa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Finally, just flush and scrub the toilet with the brush. Is very practical and cheap. Will facilitate in your day-to-day. I hope this tip is useful for you. Tell me later if you got the desired result with the use of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.